These are the elevators at some parking garage in, what town is this again? Reston? In Reston, Virginia. They're OTIS Gen2s. Interesting lanterns. So Gen2. Oh, this is interesting. Go up to 7. It's a Gen2.
We're on cables.
It's a traction. Here you go, 7. Go down to 1. No, we're gonna take another ride on this, then we'll get a view. Here we go. These are fast. Go back up to 7.
You want to send this one up to take
Yeah.
the next elevator?
Let's send this one up. Interesting lantern. Now I'll try to get this one. It's actually quite interesting seeing this type of garage in a town.
Seems to be extremely well built.
Yeah, very well built garage. Cast concrete. Oh, this one's broken. Guess we're gonna have to get this one again. Yeah, that one's broken. Watch this. Very interesting OTIS Gen2s. As you can tell, basic parking garage elevator cab. We're gonna go up to the roof and we'll get a view. These are fast. The other one's broken. Not sure what the name of this garage is. Here you're at the roof level. Okay, no plastic leveling on this one. Let's get a view out here. Ah, perfect. Open entry. An open entry. Here's a view of Reston. Reston, Virginia. Charles Schwab Tower. Here's a few skyscrapers of Reston. Another garage right there. That goes up to the machine room.
Yeah.
Well-built garage. Again, there's Charles Schwab Tower. Charles Schwab Tower. Very well built.
Yeah.
One. Let's look at the shaft. You can see the door operator. Here we go. These are fast. I like that motor.
Dropping like a rock.
2's the street level. Watch the doors close after we all get out. Very interesting. There goes and that's it.